Little Creative Life. In today's video, I wanted to paint some banners with y'all. I recently picked up this hobby side hustle after seeing it on TikTok. The girlies were making money painting banners, and I was like, I could do that, and I already have most of the stuff anyways. So I went to the hardware store, picked up a roll of this like heavy duty craft paper. I think it was about $13, and I still have a gigantic roll of it. So if you want a banner, check out LittleCreativeLife.com. I have a few of the banners that I've already made up there, but I can do anything. I can customize, do any sort of design. Just let me know, check out the website, it will have more information. But like I said, I'm pretty much all set up here. You can see I covered most of my wall with the brown paper so that I didn't accidentally get any paint on it. I have some like paint swatches over there on the far side, some paint swatches over here, and I've got our little poster. We're doing some posters today, so they're smaller. Down here, can you see? So my cart's here right underneath like my working area. I've got my art carts, I have my acrylic paints, and I store them like upside down so that I can see what colors they are and they pour easier this way. I've got all of my paint brushes, also makeup brushes. I learned this from the banner painting girlies that makeup brushes work really well with acrylic paint. More art stuff. Paint markers. Love these for banners. This is all like shipping and finishing off the banners, and yeah, so most of my little setup here, not counting the projector, which I'm going to use to project my image onto the wall and then like trace it out. The only other thing is I've got my image here on my iPad. I designed this on Canva, and if you don't want to design your own, I also have like the templates for sale, so you can print them off and use them in your journals or use them to paint your own banners if you don't feel like designing them. So like I said, this was designed in Canva. I just downloaded it onto my iPad. Now I'm going to connect it to the projector right here with a HDMI cord, HDMI, and then this is just a little adapter that connects to the iPad, and it's a whole setup. Now we can project our image onto the wall. Isn't that so cool? I love it. So I'm gonna mess with the sizing, make sure it's correct, and then we can start painting. Perfect. I love doing this font. I think it's so cute. I forgot to mention, I've been letting a streak of gray grow in my hair just like the bride. I've had gray hair since like a teenager. I've been using black box dye for decades, but now that I'm an old lady, I'm 33, I don't know, I thought it would be cute just to have like a streak like the bride. Also the X-Men, I don't know, it'd be cute. Let me know what you guys think. Gray streak, yes or no? All right, you can kind of see we're halfway done here. I've got the bride, and now we're gonna do the groom. I took a little snack break, ready to get back at it. Almost done. Last thing I'm gonna do is go in with this 3mm paint marker and do like all of the details and stuff. I think I'm done painting. What do you think? Let me know now if you see any mistakes. By the time you're seeing this, it'll be too late. But I think it turned out pretty good. I think. So next I'm gonna take it down, trim it, and add the grommets into the corner before we wrap it up and ship it off. Look at how cute they turned out. So now you can see we've got 2 little posters here. Now I'm just gonna add grommets to all 8 corners and we're done. Done. They're so cute. I love them. They turned out perfect. Literally perfect. I hope Trish loves them. Now we gotta pack them up and make sure that they get to their new home safely. Who do you like more, Frankenstein or the bride? I can't decide. I love how it turned out, all ready to go. Just need a box. Shove in here so that the posters don't move around too much. Should be good. Oh, I weighed out my box. Then I use pirateship.com to purchase my shipping labels. Shipping is so expensive and we're so spoiled with like Amazon and stuff, but shipping costs can really add up. So you can see this would have been like $34 to send this big box originally through UPS, but Pirate Ship has a pretty decent price. It varies, but this is one of the cheapest ways I've found to ship things. And done, all ready to be dropped off to UPS. I just wanted to share this banner. I actually made this one as a gift for my friend Olivia. She's getting married. So freaking exciting. So I made her a set of the bride and groom posters, and then I'm gonna paint her a "Till Death Do Us Part" skeleton hand heart. I'm so excited. I hope she loves it. I had so much fun and I think it's like totally her vibe. I didn't customize them like with her name or their names or anything because she's a photographer, so I'm hoping that she uses them in her photography like after she's done. I don't know. That was my thought as why I didn't customize them, but I hope she still enjoys them. I really like how they turned out. I want to do more of these like skeleton hand hearts, but put like different words in them maybe. I don't know. What should I put in them? "Till Death Do Us Part" is just perfect, and it goes perfectly with the Frankenstein monsters. I love it. I love how it turned out. So I just thought I would share this quick little process with you. It's the same thing of projecting the image, tracing it, painting it, cutting it out, adding the grommets, and packing it up, shipping it away. I did a fun little like scallop border on this one, and I think it turned out cute. I think if I cut it into a heart shape, that would also be cute. I don't know. What do you think? Leave me some like banner ideas in the comments. And if you know a spooky bride in search of some hand-painted banners, send them my way. Because look at how cute these are. I'm obsessed. thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I hand paint these banners. To say thank you for making it all the way through this video, and to celebrate the launch of my new website, Little Creative Life, I'm going to be giving away one of these banners. I made one for myself for our home, but you could win one of these thankful banners or any of the banners on my website. So take a look, leave a comment down below letting me know which banner you would like. I'll pick a winner in 1 week and you could have yourself a free banner. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, stay creative. Bye! So last thing, I just wanted to share some of the hand-painted banners that we have in our home. I made this asylum banner for the entryway. Then you walk under the archway into the kitchen and we have eat, drink, and be scary. I love it. Then you can see the thankful banner that we did today. I think it's so cute, and it's gonna transition from Thanksgiving to Christmas because it's kind of giving me like gingerbread vibes. I think it's the brown and the white scallop. But yeah, I love it. If you want to win a banner, make sure you leave a comment down below. And if you are in the market for a banner, check out littlecreativelife.com. And until next time, stay creative. Bye!